Hi, Devi and team.
Okay.
First of
Uh,
all, thank you all of you guys that you put it the efforts and you encourage me to do the things and achieve the targets. That is very grateful from Vision Board and especially to Devi that every time Devi encouraging us that we have to do and
Thanks,
we have to
Subel.
achieve that one.
Because your effort also, I'm not sure because when I took the mock interviews, right, you achieved a very big thing. I'm not disclosing the thing. Maybe I just kind of Subel, maybe you can give us some more like an insight, right? Even experience is increasing. I'm getting one of the query like how people can get like a more package in the market. So
Yeah, Devi.
if you give some kind of insight, it will be good. Subail also one of our winner from the Vision Board Committee. You can ask in the chat also Subail. He will answer all the queries.
Yeah, Devi. That thing is that to get the achievement, it's not just like a shortcuts or a one night journey like that one. We have to spend and we have to consistency. So the pillar of the vision board is the consistency is very impactful thing for us to get
Thank
the
thank you for
achievements and all the things, the journey of our movement from the existing one to newer one. So the thing is that in this one we can involve ourselves and team and help take a help from the team that is giving from the vision board team that many of the persons are giving their efforts and they are trying to close their our things that they are not trying to close the vision board things, they are trying to close the our things that are things, and we have to do the things with the consistencies and all the things which we are going on. I am doing the things also on the same basis and do following the guidelines by the Devi and the team at the last that it is in this thing that we have to do the things ourselves only. They are
Mhm.
doing the efforts, but we have to give our 100%, not the 100%. We have to give the 200% from our side also. That will
Exactly.
the more positivity and things. So by doing these things, we will get more and more things. And
Yeah, yeah. I think Subail, one more thing. Team Subail has 14 years of experience. Obviously, I would say like he's like an one of the like a best thing in his life did. So I am how many rounds, Subail? I think 6 rounds, right?
yeah, Devi, that was the 6 rounds, but eventually the last round also get extended and it's
Mm.
completed by the 7 rounds. So in the
Okay, okay.
same company, I have not received any much more offers. Only
Mm.
I am focusing on the single one, and I achieved that one. And
Exactly.
the things with the patience and with the things, the waiting period of that one. Every
Mm.
time when you are giving the interview of that round, and you have to wait for the 10 to 15 days like that one, and the things is going on, and after that. Uh, I just got a shock by giving the first one L1 in round, and they called me after a 10 days and they are saying that you are shortlisted and you are our top 5 candidate. That one in that case. So that
Uh-huh.
is my very shocking to me because I have not accepted that one that it would be there because
Okay.
while doing the interview I also make some mistakes. This is
Mm-hmm.
not a first interview. I'm give the multiple interviews and try to do the things also, but it's see it's not like a I already told that it's not a one day journey or one night journey like that. We
Exactly.
have
It's
to
like a
dig
kind
more
of
and
a
more. Hmm.
series of journey actually.
Yes,
See,
yes, yes.
obviously, I would say this is not an easy. So, and like a social with like an achieve like an I think 18 LPA to almost 300 percentage kind of package, right?
Yeah,
I'm
it's
not
the 380 percentage something like that.
percentage
And
of
it is the second time that first time I achieve with the 100%,
uh,
which I currently resigned the company. That
uh,
was the 100% of my previous to previous organization. And
okay.
now it's a great one that more than 300 plus is that one.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a
Team,
very
just give a big congratulations. I'm also giving a big
thank you all.
congratulations
Thank you,
from my end.
Devi. Thank you, team.
So this is the energy, right? You can see in the chat also, Subail, because
Yes,
people
yes.
need this one, right?
Yeah,
So,
senior data engineer is the position, and in that
uh,
position, they have the multiple things, and most of the part in that all round which I faces now. So, three rounds, which is the technical rounds. Rest all is the managerial rounds and and communication rounds, which we have
Uh-huh.
to work on more part of that one. That it
Oh,
is not like that one, that if we completed the technical rounds and all the things, it's completed. No, we have to
okay.
go for the communication also, because
Um,
company is looking for that in senior position. Then you
mm,
have to be communicate with the different stakeholders and the leadership of the company. So
mm,
that is also more important as parallelly with the technical skills. So I
uh-huh.
suggested, and I also suggested Devi also, vision board also, that please be focused on the more part of with the technical and communication also parallelly. So it will be
Exactly.
more helpful the all other and future candidates also.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
definitely, Sushil. Thanks for your valuable feedback because
yeah, yeah,
in a mission, when you placing more people, obviously you can understand leadership, speaking confidently, everything is the part of the transition. Otherwise, it will be kind of I will definitely implement but from the bachelor and onwards, whatever the suggestion you are given, Sushil, and one more help from your end.
yeah.
Maybe you
Thank
can
you.
the part of this our vision board also. Maybe you can guide the people if you have a more experience,
Yeah,
right?
Devi, we will talk about on this one, and
Sure, sure.
I
That
will
is
try to
completely fine.
do that one also. So it will
Uh-huh.
very proud thing for me also, do part of the
Exactly.
vision board team. It's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
good thing.
Thank you, Sushil. And I think people are, we can see the chat also, right? People are like congratulating you. This is
Yeah,
not a kind of a big achievement.
yes,
So
Devi.
I would say like you need to recognize in the in the community and also that's why I just inviting you here. So I can see in the chat also.
Sure, Devi, I will try to do my best and help
Yeah,
to the
yeah.
team members and community also in
Uh-huh.
whenever I get a chance in the
Uh-huh.
future also, time to
And
time.
we also sure, we also initially when they took the mock interview, right? I also sure so she'll definitely get like a good package because that much of effort and energy you put. I think your family also happy. I can see the happiness actually around
Yes,
you.
yes, Devi. They all are congratulating, and they are just planning for given a party,
Oh,
through a party
nice.
or around the every relationship following. They are just preparing a list for the party, throwing that one. That how many
Okay.
people should be there. They are just making an event like that one. This is a marriage event, like. So they are treating like me that one, that you are a newly groomed. The thing is that.
That is really nice. If you are in Kerala, I will definitely because you're in Mumbai, right? So I don't have to reach there with my kids. So
No issue, Devi. We will try and hope we will meet in future
sure,
face to face
sure.
also.
That will be completely fine. I would also happy for that one. Okay. I think you can also see the people are congratulating you. You are also happy, right?
Yes, yes, Devi. I am very happy, Devi.
Okay, okay, okay.
I am
So I
looking
would
from the last an year that one, and I am trying to do the things. But at last,
uh,
anyhow, I used to scroll the social media, and I
uh,
get a notification, and one reel is there
hmm,
that how to achieve from 10 LP to 1 CR. So I got shocked that one, that it would be the help or like that
uh-huh,
one. So
okay.
I, after doing that one, I did thought about that one, all the things that it will be like that one. See, there are multiple things, and some peoples are doing the scams also. So I am thinking that one, it's
Okay.
actual, or it's a scam thing like
No,
that.
no. Actually,
So
what will happen?
no,
That
I am saying
you
that
just
one, that
fetch him
what
10
I
to
thought
in
in that
between
time.
10.
I am sharing that one, that what I thought that time, because many of the peoples are asking for that one, that, and we give you that one, and they give the recorded session of something like that one, or
Exactly.
animated like other things. I check with my multiple peoples and all other things, that, and after
Uh-huh.
that I decided to go with the vision board, and I am enrolled to the course,
Okay, okay.
and that is
What
the
happened, right?
very
In
good.
between 10 to, I would say like 10, not 2, direct not 2, 10 to 10 between in 1.0.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
what
in between
we
that is
thought
correct.
actually. Team was edited like that. Okay. That anyway, that reel will be change your life, right? That is completely fine actually.
Yeah, definitely it will be huge changes in my career opportunities, and things will get more better. And it's like that one. Now we can feel like that one, that if we are sometimes we are thinking now that luxury is the happen or not. So now the
Exactly.
luxury happened.
Exactly. So this will be happen in your life also.
Yes,
Obviously,
yes.
it will be good. And one more thing, Subal. Obviously, team, I'm just announcing one of the gifts. So he's the currently Vision Board highest winner in the, I would say, like an Indian highest winner. So I can give a special gift to him also. It's like an almost 6,000 rupees. It's like a gift voucher, Sushil.
Thank you
So
very much, Devi.
obviously, you can think about it like a kind of a gratitude gift.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you,
So,
Devi, for that.
kind of an effort you put. That's why we are. Anyway, I'm just sending the gift and all to people. But sometime what will happen? Some gift was not liked by people. So I think at least whatever, if I'm given a gift voucher, you can purchase whatever you want. That is
Yeah,
completely
no
fine.
issue, Devi. That is the gratitude from your side that you are
Yeah,
just
yeah.
cheer up to me that one, that what I achieved that one, and it's
Thank
you are also part of that achievement. That is the more thing for me.
That is fine actually, because initially I didn't get any kind of a gift from anyone. So I feel like even if someone is given a small gift, I also am really happy. So that's why when I'm sending the gift, right, I feel more like an energy. I really loved it. So that's why I'm just sending. So I'm just congratulating one more time with
Thank you all.
whatever, whatever
Thank
you're
you.
achieved at
Yeah.
this moment. You can see in the chat also, people
Yes, yes,
also
yes.
getting like a more thing. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Bill, for
Thank,
social for the like and coming to here and sharing your thoughts and all. Thank you. You can see in the
thank
vision
you.
board community again.
Yes, Devi, Devi. We will
Okay.
talk and try to get to it.
Sure, sure.
Thank, yes,
Thank you so much.
thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah.